Greetings from MWN.com. Dr.M.Wilson, formerly Vice Principal and Head of Department of Commerce, Scott Christian College, Nagercoil is delighted in presenting this session. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel MWN.com. Types of research. The important types of research are as follows. 1. Descriptive research. 2. Analytical research. 3. Applied research. 4. Fundamental research. 5. Qualitative research. 6. Quantitative research. 7. Conceptual research. 8. Empirical research. 1. Descriptive research. Descriptive research includes surveys and fact-finding inquiries of different kinds. The major purpose of descriptive research is description of the state of affairs as it exists at present. This research is concerned with describing the characteristics of a population or phenomenon. It is often used to answer questions about what, where, when, and how, but not why. Descriptive research uses a combination of qualitative and quantitative data. It can be conducted through interviews, questionnaires, or observational research. Examples of descriptive research studies include cross-sectional studies, census surveys, sample surveys, case reports, and comparison studies. 2. Analytical research. Analytical research is a systematic study that involves analyzing existing information to understand, explain, and interpret complex phenomena. It is a type of research that requires critical thinking and a clear framework to draw meaningful conclusions. In analytical research, the researcher has to use facts or information already available, and analyze these to make a critical evaluation of the material. 3. Applied research. Applied research is a type of research that aims to find practical solutions to real-world problems. Applied research uses existing knowledge and methods to address specific issues and generate actionable insights. Applied research is conducted to solve a specific problem, issue, or concern. The goal is to generate a result that can be used to make informed decisions and drive innovation. This research uses empirical methods, such as experiments, to collect data. It often takes place in a real-world setting, which can mean that strict research protocols may need to be relaxed. 4. Fundamental research. Fundamental research, also known as basic or pure research. It is a type of research that focuses on theoretical concepts and fundamental principles to discover new knowledge. It is not usually used to develop a solution, but it is concerned with uncovering specific knowledge. Research concerning some natural phenomenon or relating to pure mathematics are examples of fundamental research. 5. Qualitative research. Qualitative research is concerned with qualitative phenomenon. Attributes like preferences, character, quality, opinion, etc., are considered as qualitative data. Research conducted with these qualitative phenomena is known as qualitative research. Qualitative research is a method of investigation involves the collection, organization, description, and interpretation of verbal, textual, or visual data. It is often used in the social sciences. It can also be applied in other fields, such as market research. The goal of qualitative research is to gain a deep understanding of human behavior and the reasons behind the behavior. Example of qualitative research is study related to the degree of preference of a product, consumers' attitude in selecting products, etc. 6. Quantitative research. Quantitative research is based in the measurement of quantity or amount. It is applicable to phenomena that can be expressed in terms of quantity. Example, marks of students, income, sales, purchase, profit, etc. Common types of quantitative research include surveys and experiments. Surveys is a method of collecting data from a predefined group of people. Surveys are a common method of quantitative research because they can reach a large number of people. Experiments is a study where the researcher manipulates an independent variable to see how it affects a dependent variable. 7. Conceptual research. Conceptual research is a research method that focuses on analyzing existing information to develop theories or interpret existing ones. It is a cornerstone of scientific inquiry. It is used in many fields, including philosophy, business, and to organize ideas. Conceptual research will not conduct experiments, but it relies on analyzing existing information. Conceptual research can be used to develop new theories, or to interpret existing theories in a different way. 8. Empirical research. Empirical research is a method of gaining knowledge through direct or indirect observation or experience. It is based on actual events and phenomena. It is used to create new knowledge about how the world works. Empirical research relies on experience or observation alone. It is data-based research, coming up with conclusions which are capable of being verified by observation or experiment. Empirical research can use a variety of methods, including experiments, surveys, and artifact analyses. It is typically published in peer-reviewed journals. Empirical research papers typically include an abstract, introduction, method, results, conclusion, and references. Some other types of research. A. One-time research. If the research is confined to a single time period, it is called one-time research. B. Longitudinal research. If the research is carried on over several time periods, it is called longitudinal research. C. Clinical or diagnostic research. This type of research follows case study methods or in-depth approaches to reach the basic causal relations. It uses very small samples and very deep probing data gathering devices. D. Exploratory research. Exploratory research is concerned with the development of hypotheses rather than their testing. E. Formalized research. Formalized research studies are with specific hypotheses to be tested. It is being conducted with substantial structure. F. Historical research. Historical research is a type of research which utilizes historical sources like documents, remains, etc. to study events or ideas of the past, including the philosophy of persons and groups at any remote point of time. G. Conclusion-oriented research. Conclusion-oriented research is a type of research where the researcher chooses a problem and designs their inquiry as they go along. In this research, a researcher is free to pick up a problem, redesign the inquiry, conceptualize according to his wishes. The researcher gives conclusion about the outcome of the study. H. Decision-oriented research. Decision-oriented research is a type of research that is designed to address the information needs of decision makers. It is often used in education to help policy makers and administrators make decisions. The researcher makes some decisions related to the study. Operations research is an example of decision-oriented research since it is a scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basis for decisions regarding operations under their control.